Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hotjar survey templates for UX improvements, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Hotjar website. Once you are on the home page, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Type in survey templates into the search bar. Press the enter key or click the search icon. You will be directed to a list of relevant articles and resources. Look for the article that specifically discusses survey templates for UX improvements. Click on the article title to open it. Scroll down to find a section dedicated to downloading survey templates. In this section, there will be links or buttons for downloading the templates. Click on the download link or button. A new window may appear prompting you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, fill out the necessary information to create one. Once logged in, return to the download page. Click the download link or button again. Your browser will start downloading the template file. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to review the survey templates. Make any necessary edits to customize the template to your needs. Start using the templates to gather valuable UX feedback from users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.